Hi all, welcome to T&D Style. We will crepe jewelry collection. If you purchase WhatsApp purchase. First is a color shade. White color is burgundy shade. Color shade. Top front full white color floral design. Top in the front back same. Top is a crepe georgette fabric. Stretchable fabric. 2.5 meter top. Dupatta is crepe georgette dupatta. Color shade white color burgundy shade base side. Dupatta middle part floral design. Dupatta top with the same. Bottom is crepe georgette in the bottom. Bottom is the same dupatta middle part. Top bottom dupatta is crepe fabric. Price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is a color shade. Mehndi green color base side. And color pattern white color pattern pattern. Top in the back same. Top is 48-49 length. Top. Dupatta is crepe georgette dupatta. Dupatta top is the same bottom is crepe georgette bottom. Price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is a blue shade. White color design white color floral design top in back same top dupatta crepe georgette white color dupatta color shade navy blue white color combination. Bottom is crepe georgette bottom. Price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is a red shade. Red and white color combination. White color pattern. Top in back same top. Dupatta is crepe georgette dupatta. Top bottom dupatta crepe fabric. Bottom is crepe georgette bottom. Price is 1390 with free shipping. This is crepe georgette collection. Set purchase WhatsApp purchase. YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.